to register online for Talk and Text subscribers. Steps 1. Go to your browser. Dial https://smart.com.ph/is-in-red. Enter your talk and text number. 3. Check the box, then tap Send OTP. 4. Copy the OTP sent to your mobile number. Then, verify OTP. Success! Your mobile number was successfully verified. Tap OK. 5. Select the type of registration. For my case, I'm registering my old SIM. Customer information, nationality, Philippines. Select ID card. Mine is a voter's ID. Upload valid ID picture. Upload selfie. Enter your ID card number. Your first name. Fill out your middle name. Then, fill out your last name. Fill out your birthday, month, day, and year. Then, select your sex. Address information. Just leave it blank if you don't have house lot number, street, village subdivision, unit floor and building. Select your province. Select your city municipality. Select your barangay. Then the zip code of your place. Alternate contact information. Enter your alternate contact number and your email address. Then tap Next. Review all the details. Then read the information below and check the boxes. Thank you. You have successfully registered your SIM. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.